We'll have to get your table and say hello to everybody. Oh, she's taking off her glasses now. She thinks this is a photograph. And she's getting ready to pose. You want to pose? All right. Ready? Say cheese, everybody. Cheese, cheese, cheese. It's a video. Cheese. I'm terrible. And I got a lot of stuff in my teeth. That's why I'm not smiling. But that looks very good. Wow. Is that that's your whole meal? You're vegetarian, right? Vegan?
No.
No? I was gonna say the $20-something of eating. You don't want to do more than vegetables?
Well, I did have a few rolls.
You didn't do oh good and dessert.
And a little sashimi. I won't have any dessert though.
You didn't have any sake flight drinks?
No.
Yeah, I usually don't, but I did tonight.
So how are you doing?
I'm doing good. Oh, let me turn this thing off. Oh, is this thing off now? I'm trying to stop it. Okay. Yeah. You know, sometimes these things are running and you don't know.